Okay, now just recap. Now Bill takes the writer or takes the man to the farmhouse of Oliver Lutkins, and where he meets the mother of Oliver Lutkins. She was a very big lady, was very quick like a cat. Okay, now we start from the line. We drop into a poor farmyard. Okay, we drop into a poor farmyard. Now Bill takes the man a poor farmyard. We were faced by an enormous and cheerful old woman. There he found a very big and cheerful old woman. My guide bravely went up to her. My guide means the guide of the boy or the guide of the man means Bill. Bill went up to that lady and said, remember me? Do you know me? I am Bill Magnuson. I am Bill Magnuson. My name is Bill Magnuson, the carter and the hackman. I am the hackman. I want to find your son Oliver. I have come here in search of your son Oliver. I don't know anything about Oliver and I don't want to. She shouted. She got angry all at once and she said she does not know about anything. She does not know anything about Oliver Lutkins and she was not also interested in knowing about him. Now, look here. We have had just about enough nonsense. This young man represents the court in the city. Now, you have done so many nonsense. अब ये nonsense ये बदतमीजी नहीं चलेगी. This young man has come from the court in the city, and we have a legal right to search all properties for this Oliver Lutkins. Now, we have the legal right. वी हैव अ लीगल राइट हम पे कानूनी अधिकार है टू सर्च योर प्रॉपर्टी तुम्हारी प्रॉपर्टी को खोजने का टू फाइंड आउट लुटकिंस को ढूंढने क्या बिल मेड मी साउंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ द प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ बिल the conversation of Bill with the mother of Oliver Lutkins was very important, was very sound, and the woman was impressed, and the mother of Lutkins was impressed. She retired into the kitchen. She went back to the kitchen, and we followed, and both the person, Bill and that young man, chased him or followed him. She seized an iron from the old-fashioned stove. Now she just took out an old iron, an iron rod from the old-fashioned stove. एक स्टोव जल रहा था, इस स्टोव में गर्म लोहे की छड़ बाहर निकाली. Okay, and marched on us shouting, and she just rushed behind us shouting. चिल्लाते हुए वो भागी. You search all you want to. You have come here to search my property for finding Lutkins. If you sorry बच्चों, if you don't mind getting first of all, I will burn you alive. मैं तुम्हें जिंदा जला दूंगी. She shouted and laughed at our frightened retreat, and she was laughing as we were running away with fright. जैसे कि हम डर से भाग रहे थे, वो हंस रही थी. हा हा हा. Let us get out of here. She will murder us. Will whispered. Will said very in a very low voice. We should run away from here. Otherwise, she will kill us. हमें मार देगी. Outside, he said, "Did you see her smile? Oh, did you notice her smile? क्या तुमने उसकी smile note की थी?" She was laughing at us. That lady was laughing at us means वो हम पर हंस रही थी. I agreed that it was pretty disrespectful treatment. Oh, I was expecting I agreed that the behavior of that lady was not good. We did, however, search the house. No doubt, we wanted to search the house since it was only one story high, because it was only one story building. उसमें से एक मंजिला इमारत थी. Bill went round it. Bill took a round of the building, peering in at all the windows, and and he was peeping in. He was peeping in through all the windows. वो हर खिड़की से अंदर झांक रहा था. We examined the barn and stable. We just searched the field and the stable. Stable means जहाँ घोड़े रहते हैं, stable. We were reasonably certain that Lutkins was not there. And after finding all these places, we were just certain, okay, that Lutkins was not there. हमने समझ गए थे Lutkins वहां पर नहीं था. It was nearly time for me to catch the afternoon train, and now it was the time for me to catch the train. And Bill drove me to the station, and Bill took me to the station. On the way to the city, while going to the city, I worried very little over my failure. I was not worried. I was not worried about my failure in finding that man. That man means Lutkins. मुझे चिंता नहीं थी जरा सी भी कि मुझे वो आदमी नहीं मिला. I was too busy thinking about Bill Magnuson, but I was thinking about the courtesy of Bill Magnuson. I was thinking about the helping nature of Bill Magnuson. Really, I considered returning the New Million to practice law. Really, I was thinking that I would practice as an advocate. मैं एक वकील की तरह practice करूँगा. If I had found Bill so deep and richly human, might I not grow to love Fritz and Gustav? It means if I had found Bill so deep, richly human, really, Bill was a very great person. Bill was a very great person. Really, in fact, he was a human. वास्तव में वो एक इंसान था, उसमें इंसानियत थी. Okay. Might I not grow to love Fritz and Gustav, 100 other slow spoken. I don't want to praise the people like Fritz, Gustav, and 100 either slow spoken, and many other people who were speaking very slowly. Wise neighbors. I was also not thinking about wise neighbors. I was thinking about only Bill, Bill's courtesy, Bill's helpful nature. I pictured an honest and happy life. I was thinking, I was seeing a picture about an honest and happy life. मैं एक अच्छे और खुशी ईमानदार जीवन के बारे में सोच रहा था. Life beyond the strict limits of universities. ऐसी लाइफ जो किसी स्कूलों में नहीं मिलती, किसी विश्वविद्यालय के अंदर नहीं मिलती. It is just beyond the universities. It is beyond the limits of the universities and schools. ये स्कूल की सीमाओं से बाहर होती है. It is not compulsory that a man who is educated will be more helpful, will be more full of courtesies. But Bill was not an educated person, and he was full of courtesies, full of helping nature. I was excited. I had found a treasure. I was very excited. I found a treasure. मुझे खजाना मिल गया था. I had discovered a new way of life. Really, I got a new way of life to live. मुझे जीने का एक और नया रास्ता मिल गया था. But if I did not think much about Lutkins, लेकिन अगर if I did not think much about Lutkins, now I do not want to think about Lutkins anymore. The office did. I found them all upset. When next day I went to the office and I told them that I was not able to find out Lutkins in the village, all the people in the office got upset, got sad. सारे के सारे दुखी हो गए. Next morning, the case was coming up in the court because the next day it was a hearing of the case in the court. Okay, अगले दिन कोर्ट में सुनवाई होने वाली थी. And they had to have Lutkins, and in that case, the witness of Lutkins was very essential. और उस केस में Lutkins की गवाही बहुत ज्यादा important थी. I was a shameful, uselessful. Really, I was feeling ashamed on me, and really, I was a very foolish person. That morning, my promising legal career almost came to an end. Really, next morning, my starting legal career was almost to an end. मेरा जो करियर जो बढ़ने वाला था लगभग खत्म होने के सीमा पर आ गया था. Before it had begun, it means शुरू होने से पहले ही, before the starting of my career, I was thinking that it is going to be end. It is going to be ended. ये खत्म होने जा रहा है. Because I was unable to find out Lutkins in the village. The chief almost murdered me. My chief, my boss was ready to kill me. He hinted that I might do well at digging ditches. And the boss told me that you can just dig the ditches. तुम तो सिर्फ नालियां खो सकते हो, सिर्फ घास काट सकते हो, and you can't do such type of work. I was ordered back to New Million, and once again I got the order to go back to New Million to find out Lutkins. And with me went a man, and this time another man was sent with me. इस बार मेरे साथ एक और आदमी भेजा गया. Who had worked with Lutkins, and that man had worked with Lutkins, और ये आदमी Lutkins के साथ काम कर चुका था, and knew him, and और उसको जानता था. I was rather sorry because it would prevent me my loafing all over again with Bill. I was afraid because all my conversation, all my searching would get opened with Bill. बिल के साथ जो मैंने खाना खाया था और जो मैंने Lutkins की सर्चिंग की थी, that was going to be open, जब खुलने जा रही थी. When the train arrived at New Million, the train reached New Million, Bill was on the station platform. Bill was there on the platform of the station, near his cart. He was standing near his cart, near his hack. Strangely enough, that old tigress Lutkins' mother was there talking and laughing with Bill. And I was shocked. I was shocked to see that big lady, that old tigress, the mother of Lutkins, was standing by Bill and was talking to him. कि उस Lutkins की मदर भी बिल के साथ खड़ी हुई थी और उससे बातें कर रही थी और हंस रही थी. But not quarreling at all. But they were not quarreling. They were not fighting. वो झगड़ नहीं रहे थे. From the train steps, I pointed Bill out to my companion. Okay, as I came out of the compartment of the train, I pointed out towards Bill. That man was my companion in finding out or in searching out the Bill, and said, "This is a fine fellow, a real man." And I also added that this was a very fine man, a very fine gentleman. Really, he was a human. वास्तव में वो एक इंसान है। I spent the day with him. I spent the whole day with him in finding Oliver Lutkins. He helped you hunt for Oliver Lutkins. The second man said, if that man helped you in finding Oliver Lutkins, कि इसी आदमी ने तुम्हारी Lutkins को ढूंढने में सहायता की थी। Yes, he helped me a lot. Really, this man helped me a lot. इस व्यक्ति ने मेरी बहुत ज्यादा सहायता की थी in finding out Lutkins. He must have really, he must have helped you. वो तो तुम्हारी सहायता करता ही, because he is Lutkins himself. अरे भाई, this man is himself Lutkins. ये तो अपने आप में Lutkins है. This man is none other but Lutkins. ये आदमी और कोई नहीं, सिर्फ Lutkins है. What really hurt me was that when I served the summon, Lutkins and his mother laughed at me as though as I were a bright boy of 7. Oh, it is really hurt me that when I served the summons to Oliver Lutkins, his mother was laughing at me. When I was giving the summons to Oliver Lutkins, his mother was laughing at me as I were a bright boy of 7, as I was और I were a very small boy, जैसे कि मैं कोई नन्हा सा छोटा सा बालक हूँ, और उसकी माँ मुझे मुझ पर इस तरीके से हंस रही थी. With loving kindness, they begged me to go with them. With loving kindness, with love and kindness, they requested to go with them. उन्होंने मुझसे प्यार से, बड़े दयालुता से कहा कि तुम हमारे साथ चलो. Just go with us to a neighbor's house. We will go to a neighbor's house for a cup of tea, and there we will have a cup of tea or coffee. I told them about you. Okay, I told my neighbors about you, and they are anxious to look at you, and they are also interested to chat with you. उसमें देखना चाहते हैं, तुमसे बात करना चाहते हैं. Said Lutkins joyfully, said Lutkins laughingly. They are about the only folks. They are about the only folks in that town that missed seeing you yesterday. Only these people were left. Only these people were left who missed you to see yesterday. Because these people were not able to see you yesterday, so I want to take you to the house of my neighbors for having a cup of tea and for a meeting with them. Students, now, hello.
Yes, sir.
बेटा चैप्टर क्लियर टू यू और नॉट? चैप्टर समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हेलो बेटा, चैप्टर समझ में आया? हेलो 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 बच्चों, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
चैप्टर इज क्लियर टू यू और नॉट? चैप्टर समझ में आ गया बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. नाउ म्यूट योरसेल्फ. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू इन हिंदी. Okay, actually what happened, Bill was himself Lutkins. Bill अपने आप में कौन था? Lutkins था. And he made the writer fool, or he made the boy fool who came to village to serve legal notice to Oliver Lutkins. और बिल ने उसे खूब मूर्ख बनाया, because बिल और कोई नहीं था, वो भी ओलिवर लुटकिंस था. Now we discuss the question answer. Why the lawyer sent to New Million, and what does he first think about the place? The lawyer is, हाँ बोलो.
तो मेरी अटेंडेंस लगा दीजिए.
Your name?
निहारिका क्लास 10 रोल नंबर 41.
Niharika. Okay, I will mark. Okay. Now the lawyer is sent to New Million to serve a legal notice to Oliver Lutkins because his witness was very important in sorting out the case at the court. What does he first think about the place? Actually, he was thinking that the place would be very neat and clean, but his thinking went wrong. His ideas went wrong. The road was full of mud and the place was very dirty. Second, who befriend him? उसका दोस्त कौन बन गया था? Who becomes the friend of the lawyer? Bill Magnuson. Bill Magnuson befriends him. And where does he take him? और उसे कहाँ का ले गया? He took him to all the shops or to all the places where Oliver Lutkins are supposed to be. या ओलिवर लुटकिंस को पाने की संभावना होती थी. ओके. He took the lawyer to the places of the barbers, Gustav shop, and other places where Oliver Lutkins was supposed to be there, जहाँ उसके उपस्थित होने की संभावना होती थी. What does he say about Lutkins? उसने लुटकिंस के बारे में क्या कहा? Lutkins was a very cheat, was a very clever person. If he takes or he borrows money from anyone, he does not give it back to anyone. तो किसी को वापस नहीं करता है. Actually, it was very difficult for him to part with money. उससे पैसा निकलवाना बहुत ही बड़ा मुश्किल काम है. Next question is, what more does Bill say about Lutkins and his family? What other information given by Lutkins, given by Bill about Lutkins? Lutkins के बारे में बिल और क्या कहता है? तो ये कहता है, he was very clever, he was a cheat. Okay, once he borrows money from anyone, does not give it back. He also said that he also borrowed some money from him, but he never paid him. He was fond of playing the poker game. Okay, and he had a big farm. He had a big farmhouse. In the farmhouse, both the person, mother and Oliver Lutkins lived. His mother was very big lady. Okay, she is very aggressive. She is very quick like a cat. Does the narrator serve the summons that day? Now question is, now narrator serves the summon on that day. क्या narrator ने उस दिन उसको legal notice serve किया था? No. The narrator could not serve the legal notice to Oliver Lutkins because he was unable to find out him in the village. Because wherever he went, he was informed that he had just gone away a little while ago. तो हमने ये कहा कि वो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले यहाँ से कहीं चला गया है. So he could not find Oliver Lutkins in the village. So he could not serve the summon to him. Who is Lutkins? Lutkins कौन है बच्चों? Bill Magnuson. Bill Magnuson is himself Lutkins. Bill Magnuson खुद Lutkins है और कोई Lutkins नहीं है. And he also made the fool of the lawyer. और उसी ने ही लॉयर का मूर्ख बना दिया था. हेलो हेलो बच्चों. हाँ बेटा, आंसर इज क्लियर टू यू और नॉट? आंसर कुछ समझ में आया बच्चों? You got all the answers?
Yes. Yes, sir.